Hello everyone, this is Subhalakshmi. Welcome all of you. Today I am going to discuss about MCQ of algae with their proper explanation. Before that, let's start from a beautiful message. Forgiveness means to forget the mistakes of others. ଅର୍ଥାତ୍ କ୍ଷମାର ଅର୍ଥ ହେଉଛି ଅନ୍ୟର ଭୁଲକୁ ସବୁଦିନ ପାଇଁ ଭୁଲିଯିବା। ଆମେ ବେଳେବେଳେ ଆମ ସହ ଅନ୍ୟ କେହି କରିଥିବା ଭୁଲକୁ ମନରେ ବହୁତ ଦିନ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ସାଇତି ରଖିଥାଉ, ଯାହା ଆମକୁ କଣ୍ଟା ଫୋଡ଼ିଲା ଭଳି କେବଳ କଷ୍ଟ ଦେଇ ଚାଲେ। ତେଣୁ ସଙ୍ଗେ ସଙ୍ଗେ ଅନ୍ୟକୁ କ୍ଷମା କରିଦେବା ଉଚିତ। Then see the first question. Study of algae is known as option A mycology, B mycetology, option C phycology, option D none of these. Here answer is phycology. Study of algae is called phycology or algology. The term that is the phycology derived from two Greek words, that is phykos means alga and logos means to study, and the alga means seaweed. Okay, so study of algae is called phycology or algology. So here the answer is phycology, and mycology is the study of fungi, and also mycetology is also called the study of fungi. Okay, the next question. The term algae was given by Lamarck, Fritsch, Linnaeus, A.P.D. Candolle. Here the answer is Linnaeus. Carolus Linnaeus coined the term that is algae. Okay. Then see the next one. Algae are chlorophyllous cryptogams, non-chlorophyllous cryptogams, option C chlorophyllous phanerogams, option D non-chlorophyllous phanerogams. Here the answer is option A. Algae are chlorophyllous and cryptogams. We already know that plant kingdom divide into two groups, that is cryptogamy and phanerogamy. Again the cryptogamy divide into thallophyta, bryophyta and pteridophyta. Then the thallophyta, in the thallophyta group algae and fungi are included. So algae are cryptogams and thallophyta. Due to thallus-like body of algae, its group under the thallophyta. Okay. And due to presence of chlorophyll in algae, algae are also known as chlorophyllous. So here the answer is option A. Then see the next one. Sex organ in algae are generally option A unicellular and jacketed, unicellular and non-jacketed, multicellular and jacketed, option D none of the above. In algae, the sex organs are unicellular and non-jacketed. Then see the next one. Which of the following is not a character of algae? Option A lack vascular tissue, option B little differentiation of true tissue, option C no embryo formation, option D none of the above. Answer is none of the above. Why? See the first one, lack vascular tissue. It means algae, in algae also it is lack vascular tissue system. algae ହେଉଛି lower group of plant ଏବଂ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ତାକୁ ଥାଲୋଫାଇଟା ଅଣ୍ଡରରେ ରଖାଯାଇଛି। ଲୋୟର ପ୍ଲାଣ୍ଟରେ ଭାସ୍କୁଲାର ଟିସ୍ୟୁ ନଥାଏ, ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଅପସନ୍ ଏ ଅଲସୋ କରେକ୍ଟ। ଦେନ୍ ଅପସନ୍ ବି ଲିଟିଲ୍ ଡିଫରେନ୍ସିଏସନ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଟ୍ରୁ ଟିସ୍ୟୁ, ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଅଲସୋ କରେକ୍ଟ। Due to algae is a lower plant, so here true tissue differentiation is not present, so option B also correct. Then option C no embryo formation, it is also correct. algae रे embryo formation हुए नहीं, ସେଥିପାଇଁ algae को embryophyta group रे रखा जाए नहीं। ओके, तो ऑप्शन ए बी सी ऑल आर करेक्ट। हियर क्वेश्चन पचारिछि जे नॉट ए क्यारेक्टर ऑफ algae, तेणु आंसर हम नॉन ऑफ दी एबव, ऑल दिस आर क्यारेक्टर ऑफ algae. Then the next one, Who is called father of modern algology in India? Option A. R.N. Singh. Option B. Y. Bharadwaj. Option C. F.E. Fritz. Option D. M.O.P. Iyengar. Here answer is option D. M.O.P. Iyengar is known as the father of modern algology in India. See this slide. He is Professor M.O.P. Iyengar. Okay. And he was the student of Fritz. Fritz is famous international algologist and he is known as the father of algae. And Fritz को student थिले M.O.P. Iyengar. M.O.P. Iyengar को father of modern algology of India बोली कहा जाए. Why? Because he started study of algae in Madras University and his important contribution is discovery of the terrestrial algae, that is Fritzella tuberosa. So he is known as the father of modern algology of India. So here the answer is option D. M.O.P. Iyengar is known as the father of modern algology in India. Then next one. Terrestrial alga Fritzella was discovered by option A. Fritz, option B. Iyengar, option C. Y. Bharadwaj, option D. Desikacharya. Here the correct answer was Iyengar. See, this is the Fritzella and it is a terrestrial algae which is discovered by Professor M.O.P. Iyengar. Then the next one. Role of blue-green algae in reclamation of saline Usher land in India was shown by Iyengar, option B. Balakrishnan, option C. R.N. Singh, option D. Y. Bharadwaj. Correct answer is R.N. Singh. R.N. Singh जे कि प्रथमे भारत रे स्टडी करथिले द रोल ऑफ ब्लू ग्रीन algae in the reclamation of saline Usher land. And also Professor R.N. Singh studied the role of blue green algae in nitrogen economy of Indian agriculture. So here the correct option is option C. Then next one. Which of the following is not an algologist? Desikacharya, option B. S.D. Kumar, option C. Ghosh, option D. None of these. Answer is none of these. S.D. Kumar, Desikacharya, Ghosh, all these are algologist. देख आउ किछि algologist को विषय जानिबा जेमती होचंती प्रोफेसर घोष. He was the pioneer Indian worker who studied algae. Okay, and then Professor S.D. Kumar. He worked on algae physiology. Algae रो physiology उपरे S.D. Kumar काम करिथिले. And he also studied the genetic recombination in blue-green algae like cyanophyceae. Then other famous algologists, that is Ramanathan, Balakrishnan, Desikacharya, एमाने समस्ते मध्य जणे जणे algologist. And important one that PKD, he is also a algologist. He was the pioneer in establishing the nitrogen fixing ability of blue green algae. So here the answer is none of the above because समस्ते होचंदी जणे जणे algologist. Then see the next one. Which of the following is a marine algae? Zoochlorella, option B. Odogonium, option C. Fucus, option D. Protoderma. Here the answer is Fucus. Fucus is a marine algae. See this slide. This is Fucus and it is a brown algae and it undergoes the family Phaeophyceae and it is marine algae. Here the Zoochlorella is a endozoic algae. Okay, endozoic means जो algae animal रो भितरे ग्रो करिथाए. Zoochlorella is found in the gastrodermal tract of Hydra viridis. Okay, so Zoochlorella is a endozoic algae and Fucus here is a marine algae. Then see the next one. Which of the following is a cryophytic algae? Option A. Hematococcus nivalis, ऑप्शन बी स्किटोइला, ऑप्शन सी क्लामाइडोमोनास एलोस्टोन्सिस, ऑप्शन डी ऑल ऑफ द एबव. Here the correct answer is all. Means Haematococcus nivalis and Scutellea and Chlamydomonas elostonensis all are cryophytic algae. See, this is Haematococcus nivalis and it is these are chlorophycean algae. Due to presence of the pigment that is astaxanthin, they are red in color. Okay, and it is the image of the Chlamydomonas nivalis. It is also a cryophytic algae because ସେମାନେ ସ୍ନୋରେ ଗ୍ରୋ କରିଥାନ୍ତି, ସେମାନେ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ କ୍ରାୟୋଫାଇଟିକ୍ ଆଲଜି ବୋଲି କୁହାଯାଏ. So here the correct answer is all of the above. All these options are cryophytic alga. Cryophytic algae means ଯେଉଁ ଆଲଜି ମାନେ ସ୍ନୋରେ ଗ୍ରୋ କରିଥାନ୍ତି. ହେମାଟୋକୋକସ୍ ନିଭାଲିସ୍, ସ୍କିଟୋଇଲା, କ୍ଲାମାଇଡୋମୋନାସ୍ ଏଲୋଷ୍ଟୋନ୍ସିସ୍, all these are grow in snow. Then the last one, red snow is caused by Chlamydomonas nivalis, Haematococcus nivalis, option C both A and B, option D none of the above. Correct option is option C, that is both A and B. Chlamydomonas nivalis and Haematococcus nivalis both caused red snow. देखो क्लामाइडोमोनास निभालिस कॉज द रेड स्नो, माने माने स्नो रे ग्रो करती से माने रेड कलर देखा जाती, तो से माने फॉर्मेशन करती कौन ना रेड स्नो. ओके, सो हियर द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन सी, बोथ आर कॉज्ड रेड स्नो. सो टुडे आई कवर 12 क्वेश्चन ऑफ algae. अगेन इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो आउ किछि क्वेश्चन करिबा. ओके, थैंक यू.